How do I change Siri's wake phrase?
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to learn how to change Siri's wake phrase on your iOS device. As of my last training cutoff in September 2021, this feature is not officially supported by Apple, but there are a few workarounds you can use to customize how you activate Siri. Let's get started.
Understanding Siri's wake phrase.
First things first, what is a wake phrase? It's the phrase you say to activate your voice assistant. For Siri, the standard wake phrase is, "Hey Siri." Currently, Apple doesn't allow you to change Siri's wake phrase directly. However, there are alternative ways to trigger Siri that might be considered as changing the wake phrase.
Using accessibility features to change Siri's wake phrase.
While there is no direct way to change the wake phrase, we can use the accessibility features on your iPhone or iPad to set up a custom command that acts similarly. This method allows you to create a phrase that, when said, prompts your device to open Siri, effectively giving you a new wake phrase. Here are the steps you need to follow. 1. Open your Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. 2. Scroll down and select Accessibility. 3. Then, navigate to Voice Control. 4. If voice control is off, turn it on. 5. Next, tap on Customize Commands. 6. Tap on Create New Command. 7. You can then enter your desired wake phrase under Phrase. 8. Under Action, choose Run Shortcut and select the Open Siri shortcut. 9. Save your changes and close settings. With this, you've effectively created a new wake phrase for Siri. However, keep in mind this command will only work when voice control is on. And there you have it, folks. Now you know a workaround to change Siri's wake phrase on your iOS device using accessibility features. We hope this guide has been helpful to you. Remember, this workaround may not be perfect, and we hope Apple will include this customization feature in the future. Until then, this method should do the trick. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.